this is Frida with WTI, and I've got some binoculars today. So I got these for my kids specifically. One of their favorite things to do is to sit in this window and bird watch, which I think is adorable. And they are always trying to steal my husband's. Funnily enough, even though these are for kids, I got them in this really cool green color. He is now stealing from them. He said that the quality of these is like far beyond the pair that he's been using for hunting for years. So instead of just being for the kids now, they've been for my husband. But I'll try to zoom in and show you how far they can go out. I zoomed in on this little ride-along toy, the little worm thing we have down back, and then took the binoculars away to show how far away it is. I zoom in with my phone, which gets kind of blurry. They're in a really fun color, so the kids know they're for them. They adjust really easily. They're in that really nice material that's not sticky, but it's a little bit grippy. An adjustable strap. It even came with a little lens cleaner. And my favorite part, every time a company sends a storage, something to store the product in, I just get excited because I'm a boring mom. My son will even sit in his car seat sometimes when we're driving and zoom in on other cars. He just has a really good time with them, and I thought they were a great deal for how much use we're getting out of them. That's my point of view.